you can press in very easily, and it will come out very slowly, about 10 minutes to reach this length. For about 10 minutes, it can reach about 16 centimeters. However, if you try to pull it out, it's impossible to pull it out. So this is not full length. That's why I tried several times to install the spring. I can never compress spring that short to have those cob fittings to be installed. I put this into a vise and put the top cup over there on here, and then use two hands to try to pull, and it's impossible to pull this out. You can see a little bit of movement. It's resistance, hydraulic resistance. It moves a little bit out, but it's going back, and it's very hard, impossible to pull it out. So it can't extend to the full length. So that's why I can't put the spring on. You see, you can compress with resistance back in fully. So that will be okay. And it will slowly come out until about 16 centimeters. That will take 10 minutes. But if you pull, you can pull until this length. This is 16 centimeters. So this is the part number. So part number